Alright, so let's start from the beginning again. A. So how to remember A. A has a deformed capital letter A in it. You have to turn your head to the side and connect some lines, but it's there. So here, just like hiragana, you have to respect the stroke order. And just like hiragana, it's mostly going to be from left to right and from top to bottom. 1, 2. So what's the mnemonic for I? I looks like an eagle standing on the ground, or on a branch, or wherever. See its legs and its back, curved down like an eagle's. 2 strokes. 1, 2. U. How to remember U. This katakana character looks a lot like its hiragana counterpart, U. It should be similar enough to use as a mnemonic to remember what it is. U. 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. How to remember E. Imagine this is a girder an engineer would use to build buildings. This character is in the shape of the end of a girder, and it's made up of them too. Or you can think of it like an elevator with its doors closed. 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. E. O. This kinda looks like an opera singer. His mouth is shaped like an O, and he's singing Oh! So 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. Let's practice reading. A means ah. It's exactly the same example as the hiragana. I guess in this context it's a bit more of an onomatopoeia. A, something you say when you come to a realization. Then there is ai. Ai is I in English. Oui. Oui is yes in French. Ea. Ea is air. Oa. Oa is or. So you see, I in Japanese is used to transcribe the R sound in English. Ea for air, Oa for or. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた!